It's that time again. Time for the Captain Chive to do the bestest unboxing you've ever seen. So we're gonna be doing her up a little Canadian style. Because after all, we are in the Canada, eh? And it's cold, but for Christmas, we got the Chive Box. Now, unfortunately, you're watching this after Christmas, and unfortunately, my box didn't show up until January 2nd, today. But we are going to do the Christmas unboxing for the Chive Box any hoozle, because why the hell not? So let's get started on this bad boy. I'm wearing my Chive cape, so let's get rolling, shall we? Who are unfamiliar with the Chive Box, you can subscribe to a monthly subscription in which the Chive will send you a Chive Box every single month loaded with kick-ass goodies, and every month it's different. So if you get, a little bored of same old, this is never boring. This is always frickin' amazing. So we are going to be checking this bad boy. Now, I have opened it, and for the first time ever, let's see what's inside the box from the Chive. Ooh, liking it already. First thing we have on the very top here is a oldie but goodie, old-fashioned Christmas. Ooh, so it looks like it is a recipe that we can use to make the favorite drink for the Christmas. Or you know what, New Year's, after New Year's, I mean, hey, I'm still drunk from Christmas, so whatever. To me, it still feels a lot like Christmas. Trying one of these bad boys later on. So ingredients, you got orange wedge. If you get some ice, you can get 3 cranberries, sugar, 2 ounces of rye whiskey. I would do 4 just cause. 2 dashes Angostura bitters, and 1 ounce of cranberry simple syrup. And you simply put it all in your glass and away you go. So we have a nice recipe to kickstart the day, or to just keep it going if you're already on the roll. Now we've got as well a free item. Oh, holy maple syrup, I love free. I love getting free items. Oh, okay, so we've got a free item from Lifeproof, from thechive. And if you can't see that, let's do top camera here. Oh yeah. And what it says is you get a free item at lifeproof.com. You got a code here. And then limit 1 up to $100. You're getting something for $100. Oh my God, that's awesome. And then it says, thank you for being a Chive Box subscriber. It has its perks. So that is cool. What else we got here? Oh, we've got, this is my favorite because I always get happy when I see this. This is the value of this Christmas Chive Box for the month of December. It's a $203 value US, which is amazing considering that the Chive Box subscription, if you go on a month by month, is only $65 US, which equals out to about $88 Canadian. But this is awesome, like, oh my God. And then of course it tells you everything that you got with the Chive Box. And on the back, one of my all-time favorite movies for Christmas, National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation. Chevy Chase, kick-ass. Not quite as kick-ass as, the BFM, Bill Murray, but it's still pretty freaking amazing. So yeah, cool. That's awesome. So let's keep this unboxing rolling. And then here, we'll put this right here so I can see exactly what we got. And I can tell y'all what everything is. So, I'm gonna move this box just a little bit out of the way here so I'm not, there we go. All right. Ooh. Otterbox. They don't just make phone cases? What? Cool, so this is a KCCO, keep calm, jive on, everybody. And it is a cup of some sorts. 100% stainless steel, sweat-resistant design, backed by Otterbox lifetime limited warranty. So you could definitely put have quite a few drinks out of here and not have to worry about it breaking. So what we have here is the KCCO Otterbox Tumbler, which is a $35 value. Amazing. Wow, can't wait to get something tasty in here. So yeah, and then we just have all the little instructions inside in case you don't know how to fill up a cup, you know. Microwave safe, I'm sure. So yeah, so this is super cool. That's very nice. Very, very nice. Then we also have some kind of a spoon. Is it a spoon? Oh, I could use this for, you know, doing my maple syrup onto my pancakes or my French toast. Oh, this is gonna come in real good handy. So this is a cocktail mixing spoon, and look, it even stands up by itself. Think of everything. And it says, and jigger. I didn't say that. So I'm guessing in here somewhere, oh, a jigger. Okay, there we go. So we've got the jigger here. So here we have our jigger, which is nice. You got a 1 ounce, or if you're feeling like a pussy, you got ½ ounce right here. So yeah, there you go. I definitely will only be doing the real full ounce. In fact, you know what? Do one and do the other side. If you're gonna dirty it, use the whole thing. Why not? So yeah, so this is the cocktail mixing spoon and jigger, a $16 value. Wow. And it's got, if you can see it on the top-down camera here, it's got a really nice Keep Calm Chive on with their logo on here. So very nice. So that is cool. And also on the jigger, you also have their awesome little logo on there as well. See if we can see that on the top-down camera here. Very cool. Now, we have some Tipsy Elves. Aren't they all? String of Lights sock. So these are very cool. Open up this package here. Now these socks are a $12 value. Very festive. Oh yeah, look, they're long too, so you know, if you don't like wearing pants, you should cover up, you know, your legs. Unisex, I'm sure, guys, girls, whatever, you can all wear them, so that's nice. Super soft too. Can't wait to get those bad boys on my tootsies. All right. And then we also have, let's see here. Wow. Box is empty, but we have one more goodie to unwrap here, so just get rid of that. Sorry. All right. Here we have the Christmas Vacation Pullover Sweatshirt. $40 value. So let's put this bad boy up. And the other nice thing about the Chive Box, when you subscribe, you actually put your size. So if you're a large or if you're an extra large or whatever size you wear, you just tell them when you do your initial membership and they send you that size each and every time. Now this, jolliest bunch of misfits. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a gooder. Oh, this is a keeper. Oh man. Oh wow. And you got the little moose, the moose cup on there, eh? If anyone knows moose, it's Captain Chive. We got him all over the place here in Canada. Wow. Oh, and it's so fluffy too. It's like a fleecy. Oh man. Oh, it's soft. Can't wait to get this on my body. Wow. So that is the last item from the December Christmas Chive Box. Very nice. I'm gonna be wearing this ASAP. So yeah, so we have got a nice selection of goodies for Christmas from the Chive Box. We have our pullover sweatshirt. We've got our jigger. We got our cocktail mixing spoon. We've got a free item from lifeproof.com. So we got that. We got some light socks. Tipsy Elves socks with festive lights. It's kind of like if you're into like Stranger Things. It's like, Joyce, get off the lights. Will's not talking to you. All right. And then we got our recipe where we can use our jigger and our mixing spoon to make ourselves a good old fashioned. And last but least, or not, or whatever, we got the Otterbox cup, the tumbler. So everything we need for a party is right here. Boom, boom, boom. Just add alcohol. Didn't see that in the box. Maybe next time, Chive. Anyways, y'all, thank you so much for checking out Captain Chive's unboxing of the Chive Box. Please make sure to subscribe down below to stay up to date with all the greatest that we do here at Techies N Teslas. And if you haven't already subscribed to the Chive Box, what the hell are you waiting for? Jump on it, get it. You're never gonna regret it. It's the best frickin' thing ever. It's like every single month, it's like your birthday. You get a box, you unwrap it, there's tons of crap inside. Stay tuned next month for January's Chive Box. I can't wait. And Chive, thank you guys, you fucking rock. I'm so glad I subscribed. And thank you for letting me unbox the Chive Box. Till next time, y'all.